Mataas ang interest rate, pero at the same time, may inflation pa. So, the question is, should you still invest in a property? So ano nga ba yung inflation? It means tumataas ang presyo ng halos lahat, food, rent, etc. At the same time, bumababa ang value ng pera mo. First, alamin muna natin ang interest rate. With Pag-ibig, the starting interest rate is around 6% for regular loans. And for bank, it's around 7 to 8% for a certain fixing period. Pagdating naman sa inflation, our current average inflation is at 2%. Mas mababa siya sa panahon ngayon compared sa previous years na umabot sa 4 to 6%. So ang tanong, using this data, how do we know kung dapat ka bang mag-loan para bumili or mag-invest sa property? There's a simple formula called real interest rate. Loan interest minus inflation rate. So halimbawa, if the housing loan interest rate is 6% and at inflation is 2%, the real rate is only 4%. Para lang kinancel out ng inflation ang interest ng loan mo. Bad for the banks or lenders but good for the borrower. Kahit may inflation, panalo ka pa rin. Lalo na ngayon na ang Pag-ibig ay nag-offer ng 3% interest rate for minimum wagers for 10 years. At ang maganda pa dito, property values usually grow with inflation. So kung tumaas ang inflation, chances are tataas din ang value ng bahay mo. Kung may 100,000 ka sa bangko, bababa lang ang value nito. Unlike kung binili mo ito ng property, tataas ang value at safe pa ang pera mo from inflation. Kaya nga ang real estate is a hedge against inflation. So in simple terms, you're paying back with money that's worth less in the future while your property is worth more.